Today guys, pag-uusapan natin one of the latest na TWS from Huawei, and it's the Huawei Freebuds SE. And it says that it has crystal clear sound quality and 24 hours of audio playback. Of course, ang meaning niya is kasama yung battery na sa loob ng case. Ako excited ako i-share sa inyo kung anong kakayahan nitong Freebuds SE na ito. And tara, buksan muna natin. So hi guys, ako pala si Richmond ng Gadget, Sidekick, and welcome back to my channel. So this in my hand is the Huawei Freebuds SE. And you can see the packaging. At the back, it says it has crystal clear sound quality, 24 hours of audio playback, semi-in-ear design for extra comfort, dual mic noise cancelling, and of course, compatible with Android or iOS. And like as always, ang ganda ng packaging lagi ni Huawei. It's always premium. And this is the buds, and I have here the color blue. There's only two colors to choose from. Either you go for the white or the blue. I prefer the blue one. So other things inside the box, you have your charging cable, extra tips which pwede mong i-choose later kung ano mas babagay sa inyo, small, medium, or large. Ang naka-install by default is of course the medium one. And meron tayong makapal na manual na kasama. Kapal. So, ito na ang Huawei Freebuds SE. Ang cute niya, no? Ang liit, ang ganda, and it supports Type-C charging. And these are some of the certification at the back. And did you know that this one is IPX4, meaning dust and water resistance up to a certain level. Meaning, pwede mong dalhin to sa training mo, be it jogging, or of course, just not swimming. Kita natin ito ang design niya. It's really nice. Ang cute niya, no? Yung color blue niya is not your usual blue. More parang baby blue na hindi. But I appreciate yung color choice niya this time around. It's really nice. And bagets na bagets ang dating ng color na ito. And it's a semi-in-ear design, meaning it fits yung contour na iyong tenga, giving you the maximum comfort that you want, especially when you're listening to your favorite music on Spotify, inside the coffee shop, or you're just simply talking to your friends, chatting on any video chat app. And this is one of your very useful gadget together, lalo na gagamitin mo sa mga video chat app or just simply voice calls. Now, ito ang design niya both. Both of them, meron siyang built-in na capacitive sensors in order to change, of course, playback, double tap lang kayo. Kasi wala siyang button, walang physical button, meaning sensors lang ito. Mag-double tap ka lang to change to the next song, or answer your call, or end your call. Simple lang. Ang dali lang niyang gamitin. Now, ito Freebud SE is Bluetooth 5.2 ready, meaning it's compatible to the latest smartphone, parang ang aking Huawei P50 Pro. And connecting to the phone is quite easy. And nakakonect na tayo. I-forget ko lang muna para mapakita ko sa inyo na meron siyang pop-up. So, kita natin meron siyang pop-up reminder. Kung gusto mo mag-connect sa Huawei Freebuds SE, simply just connect. And ayan, kita mo na ang battery life ng both na buds and of course, ang iyong battery case, yung charging case. Halos ang bilis mo makita, no? So, kita natin ang mga function na dito. So, double tap left bud, ito ang mga pwede nang gawin. Double tap na right bud, ito ang pwede nang gawin. So, pwede ka rin mag-update ng version dito. Of course, keeping your Freebud SE to the maximum performance. You might want to update it from time to time. Ito ang isa sa mga gusto ko, no? Wear detection. Pag tinanggal mo sa iyong tenga, hindi na siya magpe-play. Automatic mag-off na siya. Once you wear it back, magpe-play ulit siya. Which is very useful pang tipid ng battery. These are some of the general settings that you might want to check. Pwede mo rin siya i-rename Huawei Freebuds SE ni Sidekick. O diba? Personalize. Now, i-share ko na sa inyo quickly ang aking experience using these buds. So, I did bring this out for workout. Ang dali niya gamitin. I did try to do some HIIT using these buds. And I can say na hindi naman siya nalaglag sa aking tenga. Some of the HIIT I did is burpees and of course mountain climbers. Hindi naman siya nalaglag, which is really awesome. Dahil IPX4 siya, hindi ako natatakot na mabasa siya sa pawis. Okay lang, basta wag mo lang dalhin sa shower or dadalhin sa swimming. And playing back music, I can say na ang ganda ng sounds nito. Very clear, crystal clear. Kumbaga, ang sounds niya, it's really, really nice gamitin to. And of course, ang kanyang sound is not towards the more of the bass, but more of balance siya. And yung treble niya is katamtaman lang. Hindi siya yung sobrang, more of parang pang-enjoy mo lang siya ng music. And what's nice about this one is meron siya active noise cancelling sa sa background mo, meaning yung ingay sa background mo hindi masyado marinig ng kausap mo, which is definitely nice, especially when you're on Zoom meetings. Now, itong Freebuds SE has a music playback of 6 hours and voice call duration na sunod-sunod 4 hours ang kaya niya. And pag ginamit mo siya all in all, itong yung battery na sa loob na itong Freebuds, which is 37 mAh inside this one and 410 mAh inside the charging case. All in all, you can use it for 24 hours of music playback and 16 hours of call time. Now, charging this Freebuds, the case together with this one, itong dalawang buds, is taking me around kulang-kulang 2 hours to complete one charging cycle, which is okay na. Itong Freebuds SE, meron siyang 10mm na dynamic driver and ultra-sensitive polymeric diaphragm. It gives you yung crystal clear na sounds thanks to its new technology. And one of the best things na gustong-gusto ko sa kanya is sobrang liit niya, ang dali niyang bitbitin, ang dali ilagay sa pocket. I think it's probably one of the selling point na gustong-gusto ko dito sa Freebuds SE is kanyang ultra portability. Pwede ko naman lagay sa aking sling bag, sa aking pocket, and well, just huwag mo lang wawalain. So guys, itong Huawei Freebuds SE is retailing at $2,499. I'll be posting the link on the description box below. And if you want to buy one of these, it's already on pre-selling. And I would highly suggest that you buy one of these if you're really into music and you are somebody who doesn't like bulky na clamshell. Okay na okay to. Bagay na bagay sa'yo. And so guys, kung nagustuhan itong video na ito, don't forget to like, subscribe, and of course, click na rin ang bell icon para hindi nyo ma-miss mga future videos here sa aking channel. And guys, ang dami ko pa ibang videos na pwede nyo panoorin. Just check in on my playlist. And with that said and done, ako nga pala si Richmond and you're watching Gadget Sidekick. What's up?